10 high-paying jobs that don't require a degree. Number 1. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is a very lucrative job that you can start right away. Fortunately, you don't need much qualification to work as a freelance writer. I even know some non-native English speakers who make 4 figures from this job. I know writers who earn between $100 to $300 per post, but they don't hustle for $5 gigs. Instead, they go out and pitch directly to high-paying companies. How? Prospecting. Find high prospective companies on LinkedIn and Google. Email. Find contacts, email address with Hunter or Snowf.io and pitch. Send emails to prospect companies and pitch your ideas. Number 2. Become a transcriber. Estimated income $24,000. The average base salary for a transcriber according to Glassdoor is $24,000. Keep in mind that the figure only gives a fair idea of how much you can expect to earn. You may earn even more or possibly less depending on the company you work for and a couple of other things. As a transcriber, your role is to convert audio messages to text formats. Number 3. Open an Etsy shop. Estimated income, no limit. There are Etsy shop owners that earns above $1,000 million from their shops. Alicia Schaffer makes more than $1 million a year from her Etsy shop. Now, even if you start with $1,000, it's still a decent income. But the good news is that the longer you're on Etsy, the more products you will have and the more money rolls into your bank accounts. So with a bit of time and patience, and you can be pulling in 6-figure from Etsy shop. Number 4. Become a digital marketer. Estimated income $1 million. Companies spend $333.25 billion on digital ads in 2019 alone. To get a good idea of what I'm saying, check out the breakdown of ad spends on different platforms. Your only job is to help companies optimize their ads to their target audience and drive sales. I have seen some digital marketers set up more than $1 million per year doing exactly that. You don't need a degree to do that, but you need a digital marketing training. Number 5. Web development. Estimated income $79,000 per year. You don't need a freaking degree to get started with a web development job. I said that because I started my online journey as a web developer myself, and it only took me a couple of YouTube videos and practice. The average salary of a web developer in the US, according to Indeed, is $78,435 per year. And don't mistakenly take that for the limit. You can earn way higher than $1,55,000 a year. How much you earn depends on how you are hired. There are 2 ways to get hired as a web developer. Freelancing job sites. That includes taking projects on freelancing websites. Some of the most popular freelancing websites to land web development jobs are Upwork, Freelancers, and Fiverr. Freelancing websites are great to get started with web development jobs, but they earn significantly less compared to being hired under a company. Working under a company. This is by far the better paying way to earn as a web developer. You can find hiring companies and start applying to companies through these sites: Indeed, LinkedIn. Number 6. Put your skills to use on Fiverr. Fiverr is the largest freelancing job site With millions of users, with Fiverr, you can easily turn your skills to a part-time night job for side income. Even with your day job, freelance writing, proofreading jobs, graphic designs for logo, cards, flyers, web design, web development. To start work To start working on Fiverr is easy, but of course, you will need to sign up and set up your profile. Number 7. Sell your skills in the form of ebooks. Great, did you know you can make good money by packaging your ideas and selling them as, on ebook. With an ebook, you will create a passive income stream that continues to make money even when you roll under your do-it. But one question, how do you sell your ebook? Simple. Ebook publishing platforms receive millions of visitors every month, so if your work is great, trust me, you would probably get sales faster than you will pinch yourself. Amazon, Kindle, Kobo Writing, Lulu, New Press, Blurb. Number 8. Sell photos online. Many website owners pay hundreds of dollars every single month for stock photos. If you are a big shutterbug, that's a pretty big thing. This can be a serious passive income stream for you. Here are 5 of the best photo sharing sites you can upload to: Shutterstock, Getty Images, Alamy, Adobe Stock, iStock Photo. These sites have millions of visitors, so you can imagine how much exposure your photos will be getting. I remember it also took me a couple of weeks to get a grip on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Just a couple of weeks for a super unserious bloke like me. So the point is, it would probably even take you less. Data entry job. With a data entry job, your role is to help businesses and companies prepare and enter information. For this job, you need good typing skills and you should be good with Excel. If you have all that, then you are good to go. Some sites where you can get data entry jobs easily are Upwork, Flex Offers, Freelancers, Fiverr. Number 10. Web design job. I understand that most people thought you need to be techie to learn web design. False. I particularly started my online journey with web design, and trust me, the only thing you need is your interest. So how much you can earn? Talking about salary, if you are just starting out as a web designer, you would likely make about $50,000 a year on average. However, with 3 more years into your job, you may see your salary go up close to $8,000 a month. Fortunately, you can pick up HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in a couple of weeks with a web design course on Skillshare. I remember it also took me a couple of weeks to get a grip on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some sites where you can get data entry jobs easily are Upwork, Flex Offers, Freelancers, Fiverr. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.